Johann Santa Claus. I have made an obligation and a commitment that I'm going to send him my list so I can sit on his lap and figure out exactly what I'm going to get in December.
Awesome. Here we are, Colorburst and Liberty Productions.
On our way to see Jason Lanier.
We're doing a collaboration again today, and today is a big day. We are going to spend some time with Jason Lanier, and not only is he a good photographer, he's very educated and one of the best photographers in the world, and we're gonna have the pleasure to meet him today.
Yep, very excited, following all his YouTube videos and tutorials, and to meet the man in the flesh and hopefully learn quite a lot from him.
So it's going to be a practical photo walk workshop with cameras. I think he's got a team working with him, using a model from Ireland and also a model of his own that travels with him.
Yeah.
So we presume that is what he's doing, but we will soon enough find out.
Yep.
So for your viewers' sake, well, we're late. We're on our way to the airport. Actually, we're a bit early. We'd rather be early than late. We don't know what to expect. As photographers, doing his photo walk, we'll be loaded and ready to shoot. There we go, an A for away.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible. Don't you see? We're invincible. Let's escape the grey and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality. Cause you and me are meant to be what they don't see. Never feeling wrong, cause don't belong in getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible. Don't you see? We're invincible.
What's up, guys? This is Jason Lanier here with
Johann
Santa Claus. We're here doing a YouTube video for him. He just came to my photo walk. We had an amazing time.
That was excellent. Really, really loved it. Very educational.
And I have made an obligation and a commitment that I'm going to send him my list so I can sit on his lap and figure out exactly what I'm going to get in December. But no, just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for coming and your YouTube channel. I love what you're doing with it.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Jason.
So guys, make sure to give him a follow. Of course, if you're watching this, I've probably posted it. But if you're watching this, make sure to give him a follow and follow this amazing man. I don't understand half of what he says, but
I'll try and talk a bit slower.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
That's actually much better.
Okay.
That's much better. We had a great time. What'd you have for dinner?
For dinner? Italian.
He can't even remember what he ate. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do you remember what I say next? Until next time, keep shooting.
Keep shooting. Choose the gear that works for you.
Never give up on your dreams. Find
and use the gear that works for you.
Find the right gear that works for you. And remember,
you only have one chance to get it right.
You got that part right. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Thank you, Jason.
Your brother.
Appreciate that.
Wanneer die sign stop, Glenn, ek is maar goed.
We did the photo walk. How amazing. Really enjoyed it. Jason Lanier, legend. So down to earth. You could ask him any question. He's so helpful. I actually really enjoyed it. Glenn, did you enjoy it?
Enjoyed it very much. I learned a lot out of the workshop and just interacting with Jason and with all the experience and knowledge that he has. And tapping into that was fantastic. And yes, really nice guy, down to earth, people's person, and it was just fantastic.
Oh man, I enjoyed it so much. It was excellent.
Yeah, definitely.
Photo walk was something to remember. And to meet the guy, just excellent.
Really did. Learned a lot. And just meeting the guy after seeing all those YouTube tutorials and videos that he's made all over the place and travelled so much, and just meeting him face to face was an awesome experience. Yeah, I must say he's very good with choosing his models and teaching them to pose, and training people and putting back is fantastic with giving back into the industry.
Most definitely. You know, as photographers, you always have a few secrets, you know, how to do this, how to do that. And with Jason, not at all. He shares what he knows. He doesn't hold back, and so open, very knowledgeable. Thanks for hanging with me on my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you liked this video, hit the like button below. And until the next video, see you then.